What's up, YouTube? I'm Dave the Phone Guy, and today I have another set of wireless Bluetooth headphones. What can I say? I'm trying to find the perfect pair. Today, I have the Vivo TWS earphones. So, without further ado, I'm just gonna get into this, unbox it, give you my initial impressions, and yeah, let's go from there. Look at this. This looks premium. So here are the Honors. It's smaller than the Honors. Much smaller footprint than the Razors as well. Oh, that feels nice. A little bit flimsy, but it locks into place. Let's check these out. How do they look? Feels good. So you got a little button here on the bottom, right there on the bottom. So let's try to pair them up. So I'm gonna go into my Bluetooth settings, and I'm guessing we just hold this button down. Well, that sucks. These guys are dead, so I can't give you my initial impressions on how they feel or how they sound. Well, I can tell you how they feel. They feel good. They're light. They're really tiny too. So they're thinner than the Razors. They're a hair shorter than the Razors. And these have this new Qualcomm chip in them that's supposed to give you a little bit better battery life, faster connectivity. So I'm gonna do really quick is I'm gonna charge these up and then I'm gonna come back to this video. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, and I'm back. So I got like 50% charge on these. I paired them up. I'm gonna listen to them for the first time, so that way you can see what I'm thinking right when I hear it for the first time. The one thing that I noticed, which was kind of cool, when they actually pair, there's a little icon that jumps on. So it says powered by Qualcomm. That's the new chip that's in these, which is kind of cool. Let's hear what they sound like. The highs, pretty crisp. Let's hear the bass kick. Nice. They sound pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Let me take these off so I can talk at a normal volume. Not bad first impressions. I like them. They look really cool. I like the way these things look. They're super shiny. They got this bluish tint going on. The case looks really ultra premium. The top feels a little flimsy, not gonna lie, but we'll see after a week how it feels, basically. How is it gonna feel after a week? Is it gonna feel like it's gonna break off? So anyways, guys, I'm Dave the Phone Guy. This has been a quick unboxing of the Vivo TWS earphones. These are the TWS ones. If you like this video or I helped you in any way, go ahead and please give it that thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.